Hello everyone, we are doing a study plan on LeetCode named SQL 50. We are on the basic aggregate function and it's day 16, query 16. So let's get started with our query. Average selling price. We have a table prices which has 4 columns: product ID, start date, end date, and price. Product ID, start date, end date is the primary key. For this table, each row of this table indicates the price of the product ID in the period from start date to end date. So we have a product ID, we have start date and end date, and then we have price. That means, let's say a product is there from a start date is there and end date is there. That means a time period is there. Let's say from 1st January to 30 January, and the price during that time period that is there in the prices table. And then we have unit sold, another table which has 3 columns: product ID, purchase date, units. This table may contain duplicate rows. Each row of this table indicates the date, units, and product ID of each product sold. Okay, so let's see the question. Write a solution to find the average selling price for each product. Average price should be rounded to 2 decimal places. So the result has to be rounded to two decimal places. We have done it before. We have to use round function for that. If a product does not have any sold unit, its average selling price is assumed to be 0. Okay, and we have to return result in any order. Let's see, we have prices, we have product ID 1, we have a start date and end date. In this one we have the 17th Feb till 28th Feb. For during this time the price of product was 5 rupees, and of same product from 1st March to the 22 March the product price was 20 rupees. So this is what given unit sold. So product 1 and the purchase date is 25th Feb. So at 25th Feb he purchased 100 unit, and what will be the price? So 25th Feb is in this range. So during this time the price was 5. That means the price will become 100 multiplied by 5, that is 500, right? Same product on purchase date is 1st of March, 15 unit purchased, 15 unit, and what will be the price? So let's check in which range this time is falling. 5th of March, sorry, 1st of March. 1st of March is this one. From 1st of March to 22 March price was 20, so that means 15 multiplied by 20, that gives us 300. And then average, how we will find the average? uh, Price divided by total number of unit sold. So total number of units sold are, for product 1, 100 and 15, that is 115. So average will become 500 plus 300 divided by 100 plus 115, and which will give us 6.96. So this is what we are expecting here, right? Same explanation is given here as well. Now let's try to write a solution for this problem. We will write in the order of execution. We will write from prices join units sold. After writing this much, we have both the tables, right? And then we have to write on condition. Here it is pretty clear that we will write it on the product ID. So we will write on prices dot product ID equal to unit sold dot product ID, right? This is our on condition. Let's see what we are getting. I will print everything. Select star. Why it is taking so much time? Because we have given star just for understanding purpose. Generally we should not do that. So this is what we are getting. So now we have one more condition, right? We have to check the purchase date, like in which range it is falling. So let's say the start date is 1 February. Okay, just to show you how the condition will work. Start is 1 Feb and the end is 28 Feb. Okay. Now what can be my purchase date? My purchase date can be greater than equal to 1 and x can be smaller than equal to 28. Then only it will fall in this range, right? My purchase date can be equal to 1 or greater than 1, or it will be equal to 28 or smaller than 28. So same we have to write here. You write and unit sold dot purchase date. My purchase date can be greater than equal to the start, that is prices dot start date, and my unit sold dot purchase date will be smaller than equal to prices dot end date. So this will be other condition, right? So let me remove this one, let me remove this one, and let's see what we are getting now. We will get the values in the range, like the according to the purchase date. So now we have these four values, right? Product ID, start date, end date, 5, the price was 5 and 100 units were sold. Same way during this time period the price was 20, 15 units were sold. Now we will start writing. We need product ID here, product ID from price dot product ID, right? If you see here, I need product ID, and how I will find the average. What I will do, first I will do this sum of uh, what will be the sum, 100 multiplied by 5, that means units sold multiply by price, right? Unit I will get from unit sold, so it will become unit sold dot, sorry, column name is units, unit sold dot units multiply by prices dot price. This is the this will give me the sum, and I have to divide it by the sum of units sold, right? Sum of units sold. So here I am writing this way. So this one is 2 times, I need 100 plus 15, right? So for that I will add here group by product ID. For 1 it will become one pair, for 2 it will become, like, we will group it by, based on the product ID, and then the result we want as average price, and also we have to round it up. Okay, first we will see how we are getting it. Let me remove this one. I executed the query. Okay, so we are getting the expected output, but if you see, right, I want only 2 decimal places. So for that we know we have to use the round function. Round for 2 digits. Let's run this one. Now the query is working. Still we have to make few changes, but we will understand. First I will submit this one. Let's see. Okay, what is failing? In case there is no match, that means the this, for out of this condition I am getting nothing. Still I want 0 0, because in the question it was mentioned if uh, if 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 the average selling price is assumed to be 0, if there are no sold unit. So I still want the product IDs, and product ID is coming from the left table prices, so it will become left join. So this is how we decide it will be a left join and or right join. So now let me submit it. Now if you see, because of left join I started getting 1 and 2, but here it is coming as null, but I want it as 0. So we have, why it is coming as null, right? Because of this one, this is returning it null. But what I can do, we can write if it is null. For that we have null if function. If it is null, we have to return 0, right? So let me submit it now. Now it should work for all the cases. Oh, what wrong we did? Null is there, this one is there, null if. Yeah, it should work. Oh, null if it's if null. My bad. Submit. Yeah, now the query is working as expected. This is the final solution. I hope you understand it. If you have a better solution, you can let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you are following this series, please subscribe to the channel.